All right, y'all, what's up? What's up? I just introduced to y'all the world's cheapest 340i from a dealership. Keep that, from a dealership. Of course, y'all found out the reasoning why. If you didn't, watch the last video. Now, for this two-part segment we're doing today, I want to talk to y'all about the M5. The M5 that has been in here since I first purchased it. She's just been sleeping, waiting, and I finally got the engine ordered. I throw a prayer to the Lord. Finally got the engine ordered. I ended up going with a cheaper option, just the upgraded rods. You know, really the bigger built engine going for 14 grand plus turbos really would have put me at over 25 grand plus install and tuning. So essentially I think I'm just gonna make this a really nice daily driver. She's a 6-speed, as you guys know, so new clutch is going in. I think she'll be able to handle a nice little stage 2 tune with some meth, which is already hooked up with the meth. Has the charge pipes, down pipes already, so really I'm a little sad I couldn't go full stage 3, but we got the 340 coming in now, and I want to put some pure 800s on that. I think that will make the power better, being all-wheel drive. And we also have a single turbo kit going into this 135, and my turbo's over here somewhere. Yeah, precision. So I've been having a little issues. That's a homemade kit, so just V-band to T4 transition is kind of, you know, weirding me out a little bit. Can't really find a V-band turbo because I really love precision. So that's the update for y'all. That motor is coming in hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Should have this bad boy ready to ride in about a month. That's just my fingers crossed. That's my estimate. My boy Chris is gonna hook it up. He's gonna swap the motor into this bad boy, and we should be ready to rock and roll. Hopefully all 3 cars are running perfect at the same time. Can make some dope, cool videos, do some runs. I'm really excited about this thing, man. I'm really excited because it's already got the meth. They already got port injection. It's got upgraded twins, but obviously not a big fan of upgraded twins for 6-speed. I prefer a single turbo kit, and finding this kit for $1,000, which I have another video on that, was freaking awesome. And I already had the Precision 6062 laying around, so I was like, hey, you know, why not just knock that out? So yes sir, and I got rid of all my other cars, so I'm really just focused on these 3 bad boys, and that's what that is, y'all. So appreciate y'all watching, appreciate the support. Any questions y'all got, let me know, and we'll be talking soon. Peace.